Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. This video will show you how to upload the FAR file of your custom questionnaire so that you may use it in the caseworker portal, as well as be able to send it to your clients in the client portal. In order to perform this task, you must have received an email from your account manager giving you instructions, as well as the FAR file of your custom questionnaire. Also in that email is an Excel file, which we will discuss later in this video. You must also have access to the administrator portal, and this will be the place to import that file. To access the admin portal, click on the settings icon on the top right and click on Administrative Tools. You are now in the admin portal. We will then locate the button called Custom Form Templates. To the right, we will click on the tab that says Questionnaires. We will then click on Add Custom Questionnaire. We will select a type, either for individual clients or businesses. We will give it a name. We will give it a description to help us identify this questionnaire in the caseworker portal. The enabled box should be checked. If it isn't, be sure to check it. Lastly, we will click on Choose File to upload that FAR file.
Before we hit save, let us focus on the checkbox. What this box is telling us is if the questionnaire has custom fields, we will automatically add those for you and have them appear on the client profile. Custom fields is an area of the client profile where additional questions may be added. By having that checkbox enabled, you don't have to create those custom fields. The system will do it for you. Let us now click on Save to finalize adding this questionnaire and the creation of the custom fields associated with this questionnaire.
Once saved, you will see the questionnaire has been added to the list. You can now add the questionnaire to a specific case process by going to your case processes in the admin portal. Once in the case processes, locate the case process you wish to associate this custom questionnaire to and click on the questionnaires icon. You will then click on Add Process Questionnaires. Locate your custom questionnaire and click the checkbox next to it. Finalize it by clicking on Add Questionnaires. You have now associated this questionnaire with this case process and will now appear when you select this case process at the moment of sending questionnaires. Now that we've uploaded this custom questionnaire, we can start using it in the caseworker portal or send it to a client for them to answer in the client portal. Let us go back to the caseworker portal by clicking the settings icon on the top right and selecting Caseworker Module. If you would like to view and start working with this custom questionnaire, go to a client's profile. Once inside the client's profile, click on the Alternate View. When clicking the drop-down menu, you will see our standard questionnaires and you will also see the questionnaire you just uploaded. When selecting your questionnaire, you can now view it and enter information. Once finished, you will click on Save and that info will now reflect on the client profile. When sending questionnaires, it will now be on the list of questionnaires if you select no process. It will also be listed when selecting a process if you associate it to a process in the admin portal, as we previously saw. Once selected and sent, the client will now be able to see this questionnaire in the client portal.
This concludes our video on how to upload a custom questionnaire.
Hit the subscribe button to be alerted when new videos come out and be informed of new features like this one. Thank you for watching.